Hi, I'm Charlie Wills with the Charlie Wills team. Welcome back to introducing our Platinum partners. Today here I've got Mike Zilli from Fairway Mortgage, and Mike's going to share with us not only the simplicity of kind of their model at Fairway, but I'm going to also talk after he's done about why we partner with Mike and his team, and it all fits into the model of service and being able to make things work for you even in unique situations. So I'm going to let Mike take it away a little bit and talk about what they do really well.
Okay, well, I'm super grateful for the opportunity.
You're welcome.
Always enjoy working with you and your team, so I'm honored to be a Platinum partner. You guys do a world-class job, so thank you.
Yes, you guys as well.
We do keep it very simple. We're pretty old-fashioned. We're a local lender here in Madison. Our corporate office is on the east side. We also have branch offices in Fitchburg, Sun Prairie, and Middleton. So we're kind of old-fashioned, like to get together face-to-face. A lot of our industry has gone online, and you got to get the education yourself. So we like to educate people up front. We just start by providing that value. You don't buy a house every day. In fact, you usually only do it a few times in your lifetime. So sometimes it feels like even if you've done it before, it's all new. So we feel like if we give you the information up front, it'll empower you to make good decisions for yourself. Next thing is we like to be very upfront and transparent about fees. We get you that information so that there's no surprises. Again, the industry is moving online a lot, so sometimes what you're seeing online isn't always what you get. So we like to be good and transparent up front so that you know what you're paying for. And then finally, it's just local service. Like I said, we started here in Madison many years ago. We're a local lender, and we love Madison. This is home to us. And we're a referral-based business, so we don't do a lot of advertising, but we are one of the largest lenders in the country. Started here in Madison 23 years ago, so it's been a fun journey.
Mike's hit a lot of key points, with the education being one of them, is that, again, we do this every day, but you may do this every 7, 10, 15 years. And so us being able to keep you up to date on like what's new in lending, what are some of maybe new guidelines that are necessary to meet. In Mike's world, that usually means a lot of paperwork and things that need to be prepared. So that's why the education's so big. But Mike hit on something really big, is that they have local processors and a local team that will handle the solution to your loan. And I think that's really big. And one of the reasons that we choose Mike to be one of our preferred, not only being a good guy, but just his team is really able to process those. And one thing I want to highlight, and something you guys do and not many do, is, I don't want to mess the name up, but I call it preferred lending, is where you can turn around conventional loan packages really quickly versus others can do it like you can do it, I don't want to quote the days, but most of them are between 30 and 40 days. And Mike's team can turn around almost in half that time and make your offer way better than even, I sometimes say it's even better than cash because of the system that they have in place.
Yep, Charlie's absolutely right. Highly competitive market out there. We see homes go on the market and then 2 offers, 10 offers, 15 offers, and you're looking for every competitive advantage you can get. And a lot of times, speed to respond is what gives you that competitive advantage. So if you have contingencies, how quickly and smoothly can we move through those? It's going to appeal to the seller, and it's also going to appeal to their realtor. So we do have different programs available that allow us to move very, very fast. As long as we do a good job up front, on the front end of document everything appropriately, asking you the right questions, we can move very, very fast to get you closed quickly, get your contingencies met quickly, and have everybody happy with a smooth transaction at the closing table.
I think you hit something really, really important, is that preparation piece makes that flow. And I think what you guys do a really good job of, and I think a lot of our partners do this, is communication. You know what to get when you get it. You know where you're at in the process. Someone updates them when the appraisal comes in, when it's been ordered. Now it's in underwriting. Like they are in this flow because of the systems that your company has set up. I really like that. It not only keeps the consumer, but it keeps us as the agent informed, whether it's the listing agent or the buyer's agent, informed of that process, which I think is monumental. That if you're a client that works with us, that communication piece is going to make you feel less anxious about that situation. Again, you're doing this every decade, but we're doing it every day. So putting those pieces in place is really important. Anything else you want to share about services that you guys provide? Well,
you nailed it. Communication and education. If we get those 2 things up front, it really reduces the stress and the anxiety in a transaction. Buying a home should be a fun and meaningful experience, but a lot of times it is very stressful. So whatever we can do to minimize that for you, that's what we want to do.
Perfect. And Mike, also said something really important is we don't spend, well, our company is the same way, and Mike's is this way. We don't spend money on advertising because we feel like the client is the most important piece, and so we do that through relationships. So as you're hearing this, if this makes sense to you, we love referrals, we all do, and that's how we survive. So we would love to have any of your business if you're seeing this video and want to learn more about the process here. So thank you for joining us, and we'll be introducing more of our Platinum partners here in the coming months.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.